Hello YouTube, this is Linky2 here, and this is how to upgrade your PlayStation 3 Slim hard drive. I just got the PS3 Slim model from Amazon.com, and I'm gonna switch my hard drive to 320 gig, and I have this baby right here, but unfortunately he's not with us anymore, and well, here it goes. Alright, first I have to flip your system over. I don't know if you can see here, but I'm gonna take this thing out. Like that. There's gonna be a screw there, so just get on a regular Phillips screwdriver. Unscrew. There we go. Next. System over. Right. And we're just gonna slide this thing over. So once you unscrew that screw over there, just gonna push it, slide it to the side, and just take it out. So there. See this? Here you just have to bring this down, and pull it up. Take it out, and this is 250 gig. I'm gonna put a 320 gig on it, just right here. And this part is kind of easy. Just need to unscrew these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it should be able to come out. Alright. Took them off. Should be able to just slide out. Let's see. Guess not. Alright, so what you're gonna do? See this right here? Hold it from there and hold it from this side. I'm just gonna bring it up. Bring it up, take it out, bring the new one in, just put it like kind of at a degree, and then just like let it go, and it should like just all into it, and flip it over, and there should be some, just put the screws back in. Shoot. sure they're tight, but not too stupid. Ready, we just need to put it back into the PlayStation. So I'm gonna bring this over, and we're gonna do the same as before. Just have to Alright, so you just put it, slide it in, and you just kind of push it from the sides. There. Should be good. And slide this over. Flip the system over. Screwdriver. New screw. Back place. There you go. This is the PlayStation 3 stand.